Before we start walking through how to use slide masters and feedback masters, we need to talk about what they actually are and why they are important. Slide masters and feedback masters are slides and layers that come with a predefined layout. As the developer, you can place elements on these masters: branding, logos, background images, placeholders, and other recurring design components, so they automatically appear on every slide that uses that layout. From an instructional design standpoint, they play a huge role in how the learner experiences your course. A consistent layout keeps the learner focused on the content. But the moment your spacing shifts, your fonts change, or elements jump around from slide to slide, the learner's attention goes into spot the difference mode instead of absorbing the material. The more distractions you introduce, the less effective the learning becomes. Slide masters and feedback masters help prevent that drift and ensure every slide feels intentional, polished, and aligned to your design strategy.